Hey, Roberto, man. So I'm taking this quiz, the test layout one. First of all, thanks a million for getting this set up, dude. This is exactly what I'm looking for. We're definitely going in the right direction. We've got some things to work on, but we're going in the right direction, which is what's important. So this is a standard image that I use, this dimension, and text and a little visual but non-functioning button in there. And I use that for all of my OG images that I share on social media to kind of encourage them to click on it to learn more or whatever. So I think if we do something where, the image for the quiz is this standard size, and then I just always know whenever we upload an image for a quiz that this image becomes the OG share image, it would help with the workflow a lot. So I think finding a good size that works with Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest, those three, which I think this one does, that's a good first step. Second thing is the take quiz button. It should be something that's easy to press with the thumb on a phone. So either span the width of this image, like the take quiz, or have something where it kind of hovers over the top of it. Maybe a semi-transparent button that is like play so you can still see the image and stuff behind it. When you take the quiz, you'll see the image is going to be as big or as small as the image you upload. So we're going to have to come up with some way, either programmatically or either the design aspect of it, that this image is always a standard size and the option images are always the choice images are always a standard size. So we can start off by doing that with me building them that way. But as the system advances and we can build in the features, I think having something scale, automatically scaling it or automatically scaling and cropping it would be a very, very useful tool, especially if we hope to get this off and eventually have some user-generated content. The other thing is the test title and the quiz title and quiz description is up here. I don't think it needs to be there. Having it hidden when you're taking the quiz would be fine, especially if we're going to be embedding it and stuff like that. But having an option where you could choose to set it to display or hide would probably be the best thing to do. And then the title and the description for the question is good. However, I'd like to see it maybe either hovering over the top of the image or directly below it. So you see the image and then you ask the question and you get the results. We can play around with that though. It's displaying as it should. And we've got right now the check boxes, but I think the best thing to do is to make this really mobile friendly so that we don't have to worry about the check boxes, but it's just a button to press that would be thumb friendly. It's really quick and fast, which I like. And the same thing with the next one. Again, you see the problem with the standard image sizes. So I think if the answer is going to have an image as an option, we need to get like maybe 3 squares or 3 rectangles, pretty similar to Playbuzz's options, if you want to look at that. And then on the result is cool. It has your result, the description, and then your picture. And so I think flip-flopping that so the result in the description is below and kind of making it look like it's on like a tile or a certificate or something so that it looks like formal, like a win or a certificate or an award or something like that would be kind of cool. I've been seeing that rise in popularity on Facebook.